The WELOCK Wi-Fi Box 3 gateway brings a new level of smart convenience to your home security setup, acting as the bridge between your WELOCK smart locks and the cloud. When paired with the Bluetooth door detector sensors, it gives you full awareness of your door's status, open, closed, locked, or unlocked, from anywhere in the world through the intuitive WELOCK app. Inside the cleanly designed box, you'll find the Wi-Fi Box 3 BLE gateway, two-door sensor, a Type-C data cable, an RJ45 network cable, a 2-pin connector cable, and a user manual. The packaging feels premium yet practical. Every component is neatly arranged and clearly labeled for an effortless setup experience. The gateway itself is compact, with a minimalist black finish and a discrete indicator light system that shows connection and mode status. The sensors are lightweight, sturdy, and designed to blend subtly into your doorframe. The WELOCK Wi-Fi Box 3 gateway with two-door sensors is a thoughtfully engineered upgrade for anyone invested in smart security. Its plug-and-play setup, stable connectivity, and deep app integration make it a must-have companion to WELOCK smart locks like the Tuka 51 Pro. Whether you're managing a rental property, monitoring family access, or just seeking peace of mind, this gateway delivers reliable 24/7 control, wherever you are.